Welcome to our Ultimate Trimmer Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two top contenders in the grooming world: the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the Philips Multigroom 9000. Both of these grooming kits offer unique features and capabilities, but which one is truly the best? Let's dive in and find out. When it comes to attachments, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 comes with 8 versatile tools designed for various grooming tasks. In contrast, the Philips Multigroom 9000 boasts an impressive 23-piece kit, providing a wide range of specialized grooming options. This extensive selection allows for more customization and versatility in grooming, making the Philips kit a strong contender for those who want a comprehensive grooming experience. In terms of battery technology, the Braun trimmer utilizes a NEN-MH battery, which offers an 80-minute cordless runtime after a 5-hour charge. On the other hand, the Philips Multigroom 9000 features a lithium-ion battery, providing longer-lasting power and quicker charging times. This difference in battery technology could significantly impact your grooming routine, especially if you prefer a faster recharge and longer usage time. Both trimmers are waterproof and designed for easy cleaning, but the Philips Multigroom 9000 stands out with its beard sense technology, which automatically adjusts power based on the thickness of your beard. This feature ensures a more efficient and comfortable trimming experience. Meanwhile, the Braun trimmer offers a straightforward approach with its ultra-sharp blades and 40-length settings, allowing for precise grooming without the added tech. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 5 and the Philips Multigroom 9000 have their strengths and weaknesses. If you value a wide range of attachments and advanced technology, the Philips may be the better choice. However, if you prefer a straightforward, versatile grooming tool, the Braun trimmer is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming